In this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. If you can't refresh your Instagram feed, here's what you're going to do. You have to go to your Chrome or your Safari, type in Google Internet Speed Test. Now you just have to run the speed test. This will allow you to know if your Wi-Fi or your internet is what causing the crash. This will take some time, but you just have to patiently wait for it. So, as you can see, my internet is okay. If that still doesn't work, you just have to go to your App Store or Play Store, type in Instagram. Now, if this says update, you must update your Instagram to its latest model to get the latest features. And then if that still doesn't work, you have to go to your settings, go to apps, and then click on apps again. Now you just have to search for Instagram. Now that you're on Instagram, you just have to click on storage and then clear cache. This will allow your Instagram to restart its program. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!